One of the best ways that you can become more comfortable with using AI is using custom GPTs. Welcome to day 7 of the Great Lock-in. This is the AI version. My name is Janet. I'm helping you to become more comfortable with using AI for your work or your life. Let's get into it. I don't know if you've heard about a custom GPT before, but it's basically a very specific GPT that has been set up to give you the result that you want each and every time when you put certain information into it. I'm going to use the example of a journal just to help you to understand it a little bit better. If you have a blank notebook that you specify to your own use, so maybe creating a bullet journal, you're going to have to do that every day to get it to do exactly what you want, but you have that blank canvas to work with. Now that's the equivalent of ChatGPT. A custom GPT, on the other hand, has been set up to give you a specific result. So when you think about the productivity method diary or journal by Grace Beverly or the one by Stephen Bartlett, it's been designed and set up so that it helps you to put in and get a certain outcome every time. That's a custom GPT. So to help you to practice to use GPTs, I'm going to share the link to one that I love. It's called Break Down My Problem or Break My Problem Down. It's by Hilary Gridley, who's amazing. She's a director of product at Whoop. She has a great course on Maven around being a super manager with AI. And what she's done with this custom GPT, if you have a big problem that you're working through at work or in life, it just helps you to strategically break down that problem by asking you specific questions. And why it's a custom GPT is because she's built in these prompts that are already baked into the system that help you to work through it. I think it's a really great way to practice using LLMs. ChatGPT also has a whole variety of custom GPTs that you can use. The only thing I'll mention is I don't know if you can access custom GPTs on a free plan, or maybe it might not be able to store your memory, but on a paid plan, you should be able to use it. And if you have a paid plan, you can always go in to check and continue with your conversation. As always, please remember to comply with your acceptable use policies as work. Do not use anything other than your enterprise grade tools for anything related to work. I hope this has been helpful. I'm very curious to hear what custom GPTs you use. If you could please let me know in the comments below. I'm looking forward to continuing the chat there. See you in the next video.